butterflies in Pasadena, toss seashells to the moon. Mighty tribe, gelato to moon. I know you're ready, oh cute. Starlink was built by midnight, there be no strife. Take a slow ride. I got no sign of the future. If the stars right, then there's you here.
See the trees in my villa, yeah. Eat that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like villas, yeah. If you blink it all, come back in flash. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Beat that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like villas.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a chili hot dog. This is such an easy recipe that you can make on a Sunday afternoon when you're lazy and you really don't want to do much, So this is it, and it's very filling, so you can have it with fries, you can have it with just basically anything. You can even have it alone actually. Yeah, because it's quite filling. So we're going to be making such an easy recipe. I'm going to make a sauce for it, and I'm going to be using smoky. That's the meat that I'm going to use for this hot dog recipe that I'm making today. So my smokies are already on the fire. They're about to get ready, so actually let me just dash and remove them very fast, then we get on with the sauce. So let me start by dicing up the ingredients that I need for the sauce, which are just the tomato and onion. Basically, that's just it, guys. Easy recipe. So let me dice them up. While I'm doing that, let's dice in my tomatoes and my onions. So let me just start prepping.
Is it Frank, MGMT, electric feeling nature? So please don't get complacent, I'm amused. Hope my interests don't confuse you, but I like to test the waters before I dive. I'm in search of something new, unfamiliar to my eyes. Lately earth been standing still, I've been looking for the motion.
So just put your onions and let them fry a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with a bit of garlic ginger, just a little, don't put too much. Okay, so I just added that.
With this girl for the moment, got a new plug, be the day, like to show 'em off. Got a neighbor who complain about us smoking on the loft. Gotta leave our son up, little demo a la carte. Would've died, but his life was 16. Yeah. All the things you see on the big screen. The trees in my villa, yeah.
Using garam masala and cayenne, so let me throw them in, and also soy sauce. So you need to be generous with the spices, especially the chili, the cayenne. You can add chili on top of the cayenne if you want, but I don't like mine super chili so I use cayenne. So yeah, let them cook together, and lastly let me just add the soy sauce. Let me just drizzle it. Let's see whether that's enough. I mostly eyeball my measurements. So nikiona tu imetosha, I'm like, okay, yeah, that's enough. I wish you guys could smell the aroma. Like, it's pretty spicy. I'm actually sneezing from this. So yeah, let me just let all the spices cook really well. I wish I added tomatoes because this looks a bit kidogo for the two hot dogs, but yeah, I think I'll manage to divide it very well. So let me add soy sauce because that one wasn't enough. Yeah, that's more than enough actually. And don't forget to add salt. So that's how the sauce looks. Ideally you should add a bit of butter, and yeah, it's not supposed to be it's not supposed to be too dry or too wet. So yeah, that is how it looks and it's ready. So let me assemble it. very fast for you guys to see. Ooh, so excited.
Tossing stones like good luck, good luck. UCLA to LAU, that's a 40-minute drive. If the traffic not as live, organic chem taking up your mood. I should've switched my major. It's been the shit I had to do. It's hard to find time during this time. It's hard to find time.
So these are the hot dogs, and that's how they look with the sauce. Then from there, you will just add the sauce that you want. If you want mustard, if you want your tomato sauce, what else, mayo, yeah. So if you want all those other sauces on top, you can add them. So I personally just add mustard, and that's it. So let me just add for you guys to see.
Niggas be thinking their third eye is open, keep sage by the dough and believe in the minds. Niggas be loving the stars in the earth when they feel they heard it was fair shit science. Why I'm reserved, don't speak on my gangs, got nothing to say, I'ma leave it to silence. Get you to waste, make them question they worth since the day of my birth, I've been searching for guidance.
So this is my hot dog. Ooh, let me take a bite. Ooh. What, guys? That one, it's chili. It's too chilly for me. Oh my god. I think I need to add a bit of some tomato sauce or something. Ooh. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I just wanted to make something that is an easy recipe for you guys to try it out and let me know how you like it. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, honey. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next one. Bye.